Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Dominique and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to do something a little bit Christmassy, get in the Christmas vibe, and I wanted to do a holiday glam tutorial. So I saw this picture of Alexa on Alexa's Instagram and I really wanted to recreate her eye look because it looks absolutely stunning. So I feel like I'm going to pair that eye look with a really nice red lip. Also, I want to use mostly Fenty products because I haven't used Fenty products in quite a while and I wanted to use them all together since they're launching a whole bunch of new stuff and see how it looks. This look is also going to be super full glam as well, which I have not done in a long time because, as you know, I love super natural looks. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to do my brows and I'm going to use the Refi Beauty Brow Sculpt. If you haven't seen it already, I have uploaded a review of this, so make sure you check it out. Also, I'm really excited because I've started vlogging and there should be a vlog up on Sunday. I really want you guys to kind of get to know me a little bit better, know what goes on behind the scenes and stuff like that. So make sure you do check that out. That will be uploaded on Sunday. Okay, so for foundation, I am going to go in with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I am using the shade 320. I really like this foundation. I've used it only like a handful of times though, and I actually do prefer it to her original Pro Filter foundation, just because I like more of a kind of dewy foundation. So I'm just going to put a couple pumps on, and then we will blend it out. I'm just going to go in with my sponge just to blend all of this out. I don't even remember the last time I wore a full coverage foundation. Like, I feel like I don't know how to put it on anymore. Alright, so foundation is on. It is now time to conceal. And of course I will be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade 220. And I'm going to cover these dark ass circles. And before I blend this out, I'm going to use a little bit of Fenty Beauty's What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. And I'd like to do this sometimes just to make the product blend out really nicely and seamlessly. And now we're going to blend all of this out. I've got like a massive under the skin spot right here and it's really hurting when I do this, which is so annoying. I think I might have to have a makeup free day tomorrow. It is now time to go in with a little bit of cream bronzer. Okay, so here we are right here, and let's eliminate the 5 head. And now I'm going to take this brush and just blend all of this out. I love using the matchsticks because I feel like it blends into the skin really nicely. I was really late to the trend of matchsticks, but yeah, I'm in love with it. I don't know about you, but I literally cannot stand seeing foundation lips, so I'm just going to take this off my lips. There we go, my lips are back now. So we're going to now head on to some cream blush, and I have this one right here. This is called Crush on Cupid, and it is like a really nice pinky shade, so I'm going to go in on the blush. Now it's time to powder and get rid of this oily mess, which is my face. I'm going to use this one, of course, and this is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I'm just going to press all of this into the skin so we don't get oily again. Okay, so now it's time for the exciting part, which is the eye. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer and we're going to get started on that. So this is the eye makeup that I'm going to be recreating, and I have 2 of Fenty's eyeshadows. These are the Snap Shadows. I have number 6 and number 3. Number 6 looks like this and number 3 looks like this. So I think I'm going to use a mixture of the 2 just to get the look that I want. To prime, I'm literally just going to take the excess product on my sponge and just place it like this all over my eye. Okay, so in the picture she has a really light warm-ish colour on the top, some eyeliner, then on the lid she has like white shade. I don't know if that's shimmery or not, and then she has black liner, white in the waterline and some mascara, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to head into Snap Shadow 3 and I'm going to take the lightest brown shade here, and I'm just going to like lightly sweep that into my crease, or above my crease I should say. Just like this. I'm just going to repeat on this eye. Have any of you guys tried the Fenty Snap Shadows? If you have, let me know which number is your favourite. I really love number 3. Absolutely love the colours in it. It's nice and warm and there's a good mix too. And then from the number 6 palette, I'm going to take this shimmer shade here. I don't know if it's going to be light enough, but I'm going to test it out and see. This is a nice shade. I actually haven't used this shade yet. So for the eyeliner, I actually don't have Fenty Beauty's liner. I'm going to be using the KVD Tattoo Liner. Okay, now that the liner is done, I am going to put some white in my waterline and then some mascara. The white gel pencil that I like to use is from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Exit. And then I'm going to sweep a little bit of the brown that we used on the top just on the bottom lash line. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera, add some lashes, and then we will be back. Okay, so now that eyes are done, it's time for lips. I will be doing a like traditional red lip. I actually don't like how red lips look on me. I feel like I haven't found my perfect tone of red yet. But either way, I'm going to go in with this lip liner. This is the Morphe lip liner in Well Red. And I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick. And this is in Madame. I actually haven't even used this yet. There we go. Hopefully this red liner will look nice. Like I said, I don't like to wear red lips, so I'm hoping it will look okay. And I also feel like when you wear a red lipstick and you make a mistake, it like really shows as well. I feel like you can't really hide it. This is what the colour looks like. It's a gorgeous red shade and I'm going to use it for the first time. Oh my god, it literally matches this lip liner. And this is what it looks like. I am not the biggest fan of red and I am not really liking this right now, but here we are. Here is the final finished look. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what video you guys would like to see next. 80% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel, but you're watching my videos. I see you guys. So make sure you support the channel and join the fam and hit that subscribe button. So thank you guys, stay safe and have a wonderful day.